Morning fam bam. After my morning 1 hour walk and 2 hours glute workout at the gym, I'm starting my day with a nutrient-packed avocado and oats waffle drizzled with a teaspoon of honey, 2 fried eggs, and a teaspoon of barbecue sauce and water. For my midday munchies, I'm having a slice of pineapple, a teaspoon of sweetened yogurt, and a drizzle of honey. Dinner time, keeping it simple with this Deltan spicy coconut rice, honey-glazed chicken, and coleslaw. To make the Deltan coconut rice, add coconut milk to already washed rice, stir nicely, add salt, and allow it to simmer. When it has boiled for a while, add more coconut milk and cover it. Add coconut cream powder, stir nicely, add more salt, add chopped scotch bonnet, stir properly, add more water, stir nicely, and cover it to boil some more. And now your Deltan coconut rice is ready. The trick to having a delicious Deltan coconut rice, you have to allow it to be soggy. To make the honey glazed chicken, add curry to already washed chicken, add bouillon cubes. I used Maggi and Knorr mix, add black pepper, thyme, and massage it into the chicken. Then add barbecue sauce, green chili sauce, some salt to taste. Then in a blender, blend garlic, onions, and scotch bonnet. Add a bit of the mixture to the chicken and stir properly. Set it aside to marinate for 1 hour. Then toss it into an air fryer to cook. The cooking process for me took about an hour because I did it in batches. To make the chicken sauce, I used the oil extract I got from the chicken. Added some chicken fat and curry. Stir nicely. Add the remaining pepper, garlic, and onion mix and stir nicely. Add green chili sauce and barbecue sauce and stir. Then add 2 spoons of honey and mix properly. Add more Cameroon pepper and stir nicely. Then add your chicken and just mix. This chicken tasted so good. I really enjoyed it with the coconut rice. And I went ahead to portion my food. I got like 8 plates from this, and I still had like leftover coconut rice. To end my food day, I'm having 1 mango and calling it a day. Thanks for watching. Bye.